Energy management includes planning and operation of energy-related production and consumption units. Objectives are resource conservation, climate protection, and cost saving, while the users have the permanent access to the energy they need. In this lecture, we are going to study operational function and different energy strategies of energy management. Let us begin with the organization integration. It is important to integrate the energy management in the organizational structure so that energy management can be implemented. For this purpose, it is to consider the responsibilities and the interaction of the decision makers should be regularized. It is advisable to establish a separate organizational unit, that is energy management, in the large or energy intensive companies. This unit supports the senior management and keeps track. It depends on basic form of organizational structure where this unit is connected. Let us learn the role of energy management as its operational function. This constitutes following functional area as to optimize in these operations. Let us understand these operational functions individually. The role of energy management in facility management is an important part of energy management. The central task of energy management is to reduce cost for the provision of energy in the buildings and facilities without compromising work processes. Especially the availability and service life of the equipment and the ease of use should remain the same. Second is logistics. The logistics causes more than 14% of carbon dioxide emission worldwide. For this reason, the term green logistics is becoming increasingly important. Organizations have the possibility to evaluate their logistic objectives and environmental strategies. For this purpose, there are software that calculates cost emission based on indicators such as transport, type of fuel, route or driving distance. Energy procurement. Procurement is the acquisition of goods or services. Energy prices are fluctuating constantly, which can be significantly affect the energy bill of the organization. Therefore, poor energy procurement decisions can be expensive. Organizations can be controlled and reduce the cost of energy by taking a proactive and efficient approach to buying energy. Even a change of the energy source can be a profitable and eco-friendly alternative. Another operation is production. Production is the act of creating output, a good or service which can be valued and contributes to its utility of individuals. This central process may differ depending on the industry. The industrial companies have facilities that require a lot of energy. Service companies in turn do not need many materials. Their energy-related focus is mainly facility management or green IT. Therefore, the energy-related focus has to be identified first, then evaluated and optimized. Production planning and control. Production is the area with the largest energy consumption within an organization. The impending changes in the structure of energy production requires an increasing demand for storage capacity. The production planning and control has to deal with the problem of limited storability of energy. In principle, there is possibility to store energy electrically, mechanically or chemically. Maintenance is a combination of all technical and administrative action. It includes supervision actions which are intended to retain an item. Detailed maintenance is essential to support the energy management. Hereby, power losses and cost increases can be avoided. Approaches of information technology. Production of devices. You should make sure that equipment was manufactured resource conserving and consume less power than the comparable devices. Purchase and operation of equipment. The Energy Star label can help to identify energy efficient devices. Important elements are, for example, more efficient power adapter, a modern standby and sleep mode. IT support. Many programs support organizations to conserve energy. Different energy strategies. A long-term energy strategy should be a part of overall strategy of a company. This strategy may include the objective of increasing the use of renewable energies. Furthermore, criteria for the decisions on the energy investment, such as yield expectation, are determined, such as potential energy strategies and passive strategies. These passive strategies of long-term profit maximization, realization of all financially attractive energy measures, and maximum strategy. Let us have a look at energy strategy of companies. Many companies are trying to promote its image and time protects the climate through a proactive and public energy strategy. Furthermore, they have 6 principles. Examples are restoring and preserving the environment, reducing waste and pollutants, educating the public about environmental conservation, collaboration for the development of environmental laws and regulations. What are energy strategies of politics? Even many countries formulate energy strategies. The Swiss Federal Council decided in May 2011 to design nuclear energy medium dated. The nuclear power plant will be shut down at the end of life and will not be replaced. In compensation, they put the focus on energy efficiency, renewable energies, fossil energy sources, and development of water power. Let us have a look at ethical and normative basis of energy strategies. The basis of every energy strategy is the corporate culture and the related ethical standard applying in the company. Ethics in the sense of business ethics examines the ethical principle and moral or ethical issues that arises in the business environment. Ethical standard can appear in the company guidelines, energy and environmental policies or other documents. Utilitarianism is a form of ethics which has the maxim that one can act good or right, whose consequences are optimal for the welfare for those affected by the action. Argumentation ethics is the fundamental ethical idea, says that everyone who is affected by the decision must be involved in the decision making. This is for today. See you in the next session.